Want to know how to make this Bluetooth stereo speaker? Keep watching and I'll show you how. Some time ago, there was a discussion in one of the Facebook groups I frequent about building a Bluetooth stereo speaker system. As luck would have it, my good friend Warwick Finch loaned me his Gifkin's dovetail jig, and so the scene was set to make something. I had two nice speakers I had recovered from a digital radio that was no longer working, plus a nice piece of silky oak that I had bought at a wood show a few years back. So off to Banggood I went and bought a Bluetooth stereo speaker module. There is a link below. So I did a simple box and set it on its side. The speaker baffle was made using a piece of 3mm MDF laminated to a piece of 9mm ply. The holes for the speakers and the controls were cut on the CNC. The 3mm MDF fits into the slot cut into the silky oak box and is recessed slightly from the front. A piece of black speaker cloth is stretched across the face and glued with CA glue on the back of the baffle. 3 holes were made in the cloth with a soldering iron, which makes a neat sealed hole. I had to add a small hole in the baffle after I had done all this to allow the blue LED to shine through when you have a Bluetooth link set up. This was a bit tricky, but it worked out well in the end by using a bent piece of metal through one of the holes in the baffle as a backstop for the drill bit. The speakers are held down with 3D printed brackets. I added some acoustic padding to improve the sound and mounted a back panel which was engraved on the CNC. Some extension speaker sockets are also fitted so as to use better speakers if desired. If you wanted, you could add a rechargeable battery too. This is a simple project, but one that proves a useful purpose in my workshop, where I use it to listen to podcasts and music. Thanks for watching.